Winter arrived faster than expected at the A-frame cabin. Snow on the ground, cold setting in, and just a few windows left to install. Getting these final windows in means closing in the cabin and protecting everything we've built so far. So in this video, we're installing the last windows and closing in the A-frame cabin as winter settles in. Okay, so today is a big day. We officially got all our windows in for the second level and our large triangle windows for the peak. We have been waiting almost 6 weeks for these windows to come in. So they're finally here. They got delivered last night while I was at work, so I haven't had a chance to look at them yet. Jesse put them in the sea can, so that's what we're gonna do now. We are on a major time crunch here because it is officially winter in Northern Ontario. As you can see, there's some snow on the roof, but we are so lucky that this week the weather is going to be good. It's going to be in the +4, +5 range. So we have to get these windows in this week. We do not have a choice because we have to get these windows in, then we have to get our siding up, and then we can work on the inside. Like, if we don't get this done, we can't work on the inside, and that is not going to be good. Like, we can't put this project on hold all winter. So we have to get this done, which I think we can do. Jesse thinks we can get all these windows in one day. I don't know. We'll see. But let's go check it out. It's raining like crazy, which is going to get rid of the snow because it's not freezing rain, which is good. Yeah, I think all the snow is going to be gone by the end of the day, which is good. Here we are. There's Jesse. Poor guy. Oh, I don't know. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is them?
Yep.
That's huge.
Well, these ones are as tall as a door, 80 inch, roughly.
Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. It is going to change the look of this building.
Looks really good.
It looks so good. Let's just hope it fits.
Yeah.
And then this is our triangle.
That's really good. Yep.
So we got part of our siding done, as you can see. We'll give you a whole video on how we started that after. We just wanted to get it started to figure out how to work with this product. But for today, Jesse is just going to start blue skinning. So he just tiger torched the area. It was just a little bit wet, and then we'll be ready to get it in place. With the waterproofing and shimming complete, it was time to put in the final windows.
I think we'll be okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Up on your side?
Down below, yeah.
Yeah.
Why don't you get your truck first, though?
Oh, let's just get it ready here.
Here's your gloves.
Yeah, I got it here, yeah.
I think they want you to carry it.
Well, yeah, that one's wrecked. Taking you lower down more?
Oh, yeah.
You're good?
Yeah, yeah. Let's see how heavy it is. It doesn't weigh nothing.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. Well, not at this end.
Oh, you
Okay,
have
hold
a
on.
strap too.
Yeah, it's right bottom.
Yeah, that's the ripped one, right?
Oh, yeah.
Hey, but don't get your truck, yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah, Ollie? Yeah?
I can turn around.
That's what it is, Ollie.
Yeah, go up to.
Okay. I think feel good. Oh, the rope is working. Yeah. Against the lift.
We'll have to split it up, I guess.
You know.
You gonna go out with that?
Yeah.
Is it the heavy end again?
What's that?
I said, I got the heavy end again. Strap around.
That's backwards.
Come back down.
You want to just...
Yeah.
You guys go. Yeah, that wood's gonna hit first. But yeah, he's gotta go up. Go up, yeah, you gotta go up.
I'll take it in here. Just slide the bottom in.
Okay, last window in the front is our triangle window. It's so light that Jesse can lift it by himself.
Is it missing one?
Flaps are
Is it
bent.
missing one? I think.
Oh no, there. Making sure these are all flipped over.
I guess so.
Okay. Oh, Jesse,
Hopefully.
please be careful.
I'll be careful.
If you can't do it, then just come back down.
I think I can do it.
So hard to see right now, but Jesse is going up. Please be careful, Jess. Make sure you got the weight. Oh, this is stressful. Oh my gosh, guys, this is just so stressful. I almost can't watch.
Oh, I didn't fix all the metal.
Oh my gosh, I think it's in. Oh, is it in? Every time he shines the light in the. Oh, I think it's in. I think it's in. Is it in? With every window installed at the front of the cabin, it was time to move to the back.
That this opening was a little bit bigger and needed to be built in a little bit. So I just pulled the blue skin off the shims. I need to raise it by at least the width of like an 1.5 inch piece of lumber. So I'm going to get this cut to fit nicely on the 2 bevel ends, and then we'll get this nailed in, re-blue skin it, and put some shims down, and hopefully the window will fit pretty good after that.
Okay, let's try this again. Something sketchy was going on with the lift, like one of the toggles that swings it from left to right was jammed, and now it's only working if you're going up. It's weird. Oh gosh, this is really sketchy.
Is it in? Does that look okay?
Getting the A-frame fully closed in as winter arrives has been a huge milestone for us. Winter hit us hard and fast, and unfortunately we had to stop working on the siding. But now the real transformation begins. In the next few videos, we'll be diving into the interior and bringing this cabin to life. Thanks for being here with us. We'll see you soon.